Hi, today I'm going to show you how to connect Airtable to Base44. So first, obtain the Airtable API key and base ID. Log into airtable.com, click on a profile icon in the top right, choose account, and it is going to show you this page. Here, in the overview section, you'll have to scroll down and click on Go to Developer Hub option. When you click on this option, it is going to show you this page. As you can see, Airtable API keys are deprecated and no longer work. So instead of using API key, you need to migrate to personal access tokens, which allow you to more securely grant API access to Airtable data. So click on create token option and it is going to show you this page. We'll have to basically click on create token, name your token anything you want, add a scope to it. You can also choose to add all resources or add a base, then click on create token. After you create a token, you'll have to copy it from here, then go back to Base44. So access the Base44 integration setting. Open your project dashboard, click on integration option and search for Airtable. Now click on Airtable. Here you'll have to click on use this integration, but this integration requires backend functions, a feature available only on builder tier and above. So click on this option after upgrading to a builder tier or above, and you'll be able to use this integration by clicking on this button, then pasting the token that we just copied from Airtable into the next prompt. After you do this, you can configure data action, test data sync, and deploy your app. So with successful integration, your app can now use real-time Airtable data for workflows, displays, or automations. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.